2, 1. Off to a great start. Stay at homies and the Chillers picking up a ton of cubes while knocking off some of these red cubes off their posts for some extra points. Stay at homies getting a ton of greens. Chillers with a lot of greens in their system as well. Stay at homies getting the rest of these reds knocked off the post. The Chillers getting ready to line up. So we get to 35 seconds. Teams may now switch driving. Stay at homies with a ton of green cubes, trying to get lined up to score. If you get 25 seconds, you must switch drivers. Stay at homies getting some purples into that goal. Meanwhile, the Chillers with 15 seconds left, trying to get as many greens as they can up into their robot as they lift up to score these greens. They get a ton of green cubes in. Will it be enough to beat 92 points? Go.